Hello everyone, hope you are all doing good. Let's start. The man who killed my dog. Okay, so the title is slightly different. The man who killed my dog. Did the man intentionally kill the dog? Don't know. So let's start. Some people drive very recklessly. The word is recklessly. Recklessly means carelessly. Okay. They hit someone while driving but never stop to help the victim. Such drivers are called hit and run drivers. Yeah, sometimes we may see in the television, we may hear a few news that some vehicle hit that lady but he didn't stop, so that lady died on the spot. Or somebody hit the dog, the dog died immediately. Yeah, few newses we heard like this, right? See here, the people who drive carelessly and who hits somebody and who doesn't come to help the victim, such drivers we call them as hit and run drivers. Okay, so even the case will file in the police station as hit and run case. You might have heard this word, hit and run case or hit and run drivers. So the people who drives recklessly and who hit somebody and who doesn't come to help the victim are called hit and run drivers. Why we are discussing about this here? Let's see. Here you will read the story of a person whose dog named Wendy, underline, was killed by a hit and run driver. The man knew nothing about the driver, but he decided to write him a letter through a newspaper. Here is what he wrote in his letter. Okay. So here a driver uh, he killed a dog that named Wendy. So the dog was killed by hit and run driver. So the man, the owner of the dog, doesn't know the name of driver or the address of driver. So he doesn't know anything about the driver. So that's why he decided to write a letter to him. So how he posts that letter? No, he didn't post, but he made publish that letter in the newspaper. What he has written in that letter, let's have a look. Dear sir, see, this shows his politeness. Of course, that driver killed his dog, but he is giving some respect to that driver. Dear sir, I hope you are going somewhere important on Tuesday night. So here is mentioning which day it was. That was why you drove so fast down the road. Drove, past form of drive. Okay, past form of drive is drove. I hope you are going somewhere important on Tuesday night. Dear sir, I don't know where you are going, but it was important for you, so that's why you are driving fast down the road. Perhaps we would feel better if we could imagine that you were a doctor rushing somewhere to ease somebody's pain. Okay, we think that if you are a doctor, we feel little better because you are going that much fast to ease somebody's pain. Means you are going to save someone. If you were a doctor, so we feel better. We would not feel so bad if we could think that the life of our dog went to shorten someone's suffering. Okay, so if you are a doctor and you are going to save somebody, and we wouldn't feel that our dog's life went, so we will think that So our dog's life went to just to save somebody's life. Okay, so we think that you are a doctor, you are going to save somebody. But sir, now we know too much about you to believe it. True, we know nothing of your name or address, but we know all about the form and content of your heart. Okay, if you are a doctor, we don't know your name and we don't know your address, but we know all about the form and content of your heart. Means if you are going to save somebody, so we should think that you are good. So we believe that, so we think that all that we saw of you on that Tuesday night was your car's shadow and its jumping tail lights. So only we saw your car's shadow and the lights, so it was jumping. Okay, so we didn't see you. So even we cannot register your we cannot remember your car's number, but only we saw that your car's shadow. You saw the dog and stepped on your brakes. You felt a thumb, didn't you? Of course, you have seen the dog and you stepped on your brakes. And even you felt a thumb, don't you? Yeah, you felt a thumb, didn't you? You heard a yelp and then my wife screamed. Yelp means a dog's pain. Okay, so you heard a yelp. So when you hit our dog, it made a sound, and afterwards my wife screamed. Didn't you hear? But what excellent reflexes you have got. But what excellent reflexes you have got. Reflexes means automatic movements of the body that happen naturally in response to something. Okay. Sometimes if you get fear or if you feel happy, our body movements changes. Okay. So here also this driver hit the dog. He too feel that reflexes means the movements of the body had changed in that man also. You heard both the yell and the scream. Then at once you jumped on the accelerator and got out fast. Yes, I guess you heard both the scream and yelp means dog scream and the writer's wife scream. But you jumped on the accelerator and got out fast, but you raised your speed. You didn't come out of the car. Instead of you went fast. Sir, you didn't bother to look back. So I'll tell you what that thump was and who gave the help. Sir, you don't know and you didn't look back what had happened. But I tell you what was that thump and who screamed and who helped. It was our Wendy. Yes. So it was our Wendy, it was our dog. You hit and it started to help. So it was a 6-month-old Basset puppy. Basset means a dog with short legs, a long body and long ears. Okay, so it was our dog Wendy. It is only 6 months old. Basset puppy means it is very short and it had